Alright, now, trying to get this camera adjusted as I work. One sec. Right, that's how to do it. Let's see if it works. The wires are tight and balls sack is itchy. Alright, still recording. Can't believe I said balls sack on internet, but let's get up my chair. Alright. Just the camera. Stupid YouTube notification. Right. Sorry. Accidentally messed up the camera's angle. Right. It's a little bit crooked. Yeah, it's really crooked. Man, adjusting the camera takes up a lot of time. I'm gonna see if this. That works. No, it's not. Right? Alright. My controller's not working. Let's see if I can fix that. Controls. House settings. Crap, I guess I can't use the controller. I've accidentally pushed the button. Language. Right. So yeah, I got done with this. Mostly. Let's just hope it's done. Maybe I can use fence as a decoration. Jungle. No, let's go for that one. Oh, what the hell? How did I get there? If you clicked on this video, smart move. How is that? Is that actually touching against it? Nope. Probably could be. Right. Right, so that's... This is an amazing cartography thing that took me hours to make. Good thing I didn't make it on any servers, because that means it would be impending incoming doom. It's right there, so it doesn't smack against my head. I put those stairs right there. Not choice. Right. This is not Japanese architecture. It's supposed to look like a log cabin. So those would be logs stacked like winking logs. Right, so yeah. I used it with a little bit of help with the debug stick. Right. Let's use stone cover. Masonry. Do masonry. Right, so what should I... Right, so let's do... Oh crap, I dropped my debug stick. skeptical about the existence of the debug stick until I actually used the commands and figured out it exists. I've seen a Snow Tiger Biome village before. They exist. It's awesome. It is so cool. There's even freaking igloos there. But this is a new computer, so I'll never see one ever again, sadly. Mojang, if you're somehow watching this, here's a little thing for the Caves and Cliffs update. Maybe you can add a mountain biome village. Like a mountain village. Villages on the mountains. You know, that'll be really cool. Welcome for the idea. Probably get lots of ideas from the Minecraft community. Oh, those ideas flooding towards you. Oh, it must be overwhelming. I feel bad for you. And with people that work for you. You know, and the fact that it doubles up on the amounts of people that text you and call you and stuff, for the fact that it's the most popular game, better than Tetris. Yeah, that must be stressing. Not to be rude or anything, just saying I feel bad for you. How in the heck are you supposed to read an entire storm of people texting you? Oh no, that farmer has destroyed crops. There's a farmer. Speaking of farms, I live on a farm, literally. Well, soon I'm gonna move to the village. Hopefully I'll still have my computer in my room. He doesn't find Twitch on my computer. I downloaded Twitch on my computer, but for some reason I can't make videos on Twitch with the computer. So I can't find the button that you're supposed to click and records screencasts, because this computer is from 2007. Wait, did a villager just get killed by... Wait. That I'm going to kill it. Oh, it wasn't a villager. It was a husk. Husks are the most scariest zombies. I'm gonna pick up the arrows in my chest. I forgot where I put my chest. It's somewhere buried in the sand. Why did I bury my chest in the sand? Probably around here somewhere. Oh. I really shouldn't have put my chest underneath the sand. It's like, haha, this will be a funny joke, but it makes it hard for me to figure out where I put it. Oops. Whoop-de-doo, that was an accident. I think I put it nearby. Well, at least I was recording when I put it. Fix this villagers stuff. Get the composter there. This is where you put the compost because it kills the crops when the compost is put there. It's a little glitch. I'm tempted. I'm tempted. I'm. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. I can edit the age of these crops. Here's your bone meal. I'm a witch. I'm a witch now. Villagers can't ban me for witchcraft. They should rename it from debug stick to what's it called again, that does witch's stick thing, wizard rod. I forget. I'm so dumb, so darn dumb. Such an idiot. Got a spell on you. Woo! There's a spell on you. I forgot what it's called. Darn. Frick. Wand, that's it, wand. You should rename it from debug stick to wand. Magic wand. I just now remember that because of singing the song Winter Wonderland in my head. Walking in the winter wonderland, all the trees listen, and children listen. Dun-dun-dun, keep ringing, walking in the winter wonderland. It's playing its own magic wand. How come it has 7 stages? I thought it had 3. Why did you break your own crop?